To generate a report card, navigate to the Get Report Card in the button bar. Select the desired student from the drop-down menu. The student's grades for each of the quarters, as well as the final grade, will be displayed. If the student is in high school, select the High School Radio button at the top of the page to display the credits, GP earned, GP grade, and final GPA. Sometimes it is desirable to override the raw average grade with a grade that reflects subjective evaluations, such as in-class participation, tardiness, conduct, etc. Other times you may want to change the grade to a pass-fail grade. The quarter grades can be edited by double-clicking on the grade and typing in the desired edited grade. This can be a number grade, percentage grade, standard letter grade, or any custom grade you like. If it is a proper grade, the final average will adjust automatically. If it is a custom grade, such as a pass-fail grade, you will need to select the final grade from the resulting drop-down box to indicate whether or not the final grade is a pass or a fail. Note that for high schoolers, pass-fail grades are not applied to the overall GPA of the student, while proper edited grades such as percentage grades and valid letter grades in the form of B+, C-, etc. do impact the final GPA. Also note that an edited grade will be colored green and will remain even if the report card is closed and then regenerated. However, when printing, the grades will print black. In the event you would like to return to the raw average grade, simply right-click on the grade and select Change Selected Item to Raw Average Grade. Finally, you can print your report card by clicking the Print button provided at the top left-hand corner of the page. This completes our tutorial on recording grades. To learn more about other program features, please see our other tutorials.